How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two productivity tools being Gohighlevel and BITRIX24. So we'll be talking about the key differences between the two, as well as the main features and fundamentals, and ultimately deciding which of the two platforms is the better. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing that we need to understand about these two platforms is that it's like comparing apples and oranges. If Gohighlevel would be the front end of your business, and I'm talking about stuff like ad campaigns, email campaigns, personal branding, and whatnot, basically the stuff that people see online, then Bitrix would be the back end. So Go High Level focuses more on the integration of marketing and ads, as well as building your online presence. So here you can use their services to help grow your platform or your business via marketing. So, to show you guys what I mean, here are a couple of integrations that go hand in hand with Gohighlevel. So there's Mailchimp, which we all know is a newsletter tool. There's Zoho CRM. There's also Google Analytics. There's Stripe as a payment gateway, and so on. So it's pretty cool. But basically, what happens is Gohighlevel acts as a platform for your business as a funnel form to help it grow. Meanwhile, Bitrix is more about CRM and project management, as you guys can see here. So if you guys are looking to run your team with a couple of PM automations and backend configuration stuff, then Bitrix is the site for you. So CRM, you get to manage your team, assign tasks, do projects and whatnot, and basically use it as a base of communications for your business. So to put it into perspective, Bitrix is the back end, while Gohighlevel is the front end. So hopefully that this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.